Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hey everyone, Edward here from Edward Adventures. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the newly reopened Tops Cebu in Cebu City, Philippines. Get ready for stunning views, exciting activities, and a whole lot of Cebuano charm. How to get there? Reaching Tops Cebu is a breeze. You can take a taxi or rent a habal-habal, a local jeepney, and tell them you're going to Tops Lookout in Busay. The entrance fee is 100 pesos, while parking fee is 50 pesos. Tops Cebu is open daily, so you can plan your visit anytime that suits your schedule. There are no specific restrictions to be aware of. Just be sure to follow basic park etiquette and respect the environment. For the ultimate peace and quiet, consider visiting Tops Cebu on weekdays. Weekends tend to attract more crowds. What to expect at Tops Cebu? Prepare to be amazed. Tops Cebu is a feast for the senses. Here's what you can look forward to. Relaxing activities. Tops Cebu offers ample space to relax and enjoy the fresh mountain air. Spread a picnic blanket on the lawns, have a fun game with friends, or simply soak in the beauty of nature. Unforgettable views. The main attraction at Tops Cebu is undoubtedly the view. You'll get a breathtaking panorama of Cebu City, the surrounding mountains, and even a glimpse of the coast. It's truly a postcard-worthy scene. While there aren't a vast number of restaurants at Tops Cebu just yet, there are some food stalls offering delicious local snacks and refreshments. Keep in mind that currently, all shops are cash only due to limited internet connectivity. Romantic evenings. For a truly special experience, head to Tops Cebu during sunset. Witness the sky transform into a fiery masterpiece, creating the perfect backdrop for a romantic evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Edward Adventures, for more exciting adventures around the Philippines. And keep an eye out for upcoming blog posts on my channel, where I'll be delving deeper into Cebu City and its many hidden gems.